Up, y'all? Ready to see two rappers rap? You know, just me and him just rapping. Remember when I said he's not gonna go on TikTok anymore? Well, he changed his mind and going on YouTube and TikTok. Let's do this. So, yeah. Just two people just hanging out. They're rappers, you know. Just two best friends just hanging out with in Tornado. We are just hanging out. He's about to leave. Let's do this. Yeah, we're just hanging out in Tornado. Just hanging out in Tornado. Just hanging out so bad. We're dreaming about bitches in the ass. Dreaming of big Milky Ways with some girl's chest. You know, this is only for grown ups. Let's get it. Starting to rain. See, that's a tornado. You guys aren't getting wet.